Who's this by?
That's a Howa Mini.
A Howa model 1500.
Yeah, Howa Mini 1500.
Howa Mini in 7.62 by 39.
Yeah.
Subsonics.
Yeah.
Okay. How is she? Zero diesel?
It's like a little low. It shoots low.
Ooh, I didn't hit it.
I signed it in for like standard velocity.
Okay. Sounds good though.
Oh yeah.
Damn, I don't know where it's hitting the water.
Aim higher.
Yeah, no shit. There we go. I aimed at his head that time. Damn. Right when I found the shot. Fuck. Oh well. That's nice though. That sound's got a real good sound.
Oh, yeah. It's
kind of nice shooting the water there. Just did that. Okay, that's nice. And you can't beat the old Wolvie.